attraction that is designed to be scary. There are live actors who may touch you but will not harm you. Anyone disrupting the experience in any way will be escorted from the resort by me. There is no running, stopping, or turning back unless instructed to do so. Smoke effects, pyrotechnics, loud noises, and confined spaces all form parts of your tour. If you are asthmatic, suffer from neck or heart problems, are claustrophobic or pregnant, we advise you do not go ahead. There is uneven flooring throughout, so please do take special care throughout your journey. Now, will you outrun what lies ahead, or will you terminate at platform 15? Your tour guide awaits.
7 already. Right, let's go. Welcome to the afternoon tour of the Sleeper Express. The year is 1888. A train departs from London, leaving the now infamous platform 15, a number not so lucky for some. The train rumbled along till, for reasons still unclear, it veered down the wrong track and slowly came to a halt. The conductor got out and told everyone, "Sit tight, I'm heading down the line. I'll go get some help and I'll be right back." The conductor got off and was never seen again. Hours went by and it was bitterly cold. The passengers knew they wouldn't last the night, so a brave group jumped out to see if they could fix the engine. Next thing you know, the engine blows and throws 1,000 gallons of burning oil everywhere. It's a horrible way to go. Burns flesh off bone, blocks the airways, and melts the eyes. All the while, everyone else on the train was slowly left to freeze to death. The press called it the Sleeper Express, due to everyone on the train looking as if they had died in their sleep. If only. Well, it looks like my lantern is running out of oil. You carry on down the path, I'll head back and get some help. Don't worry, I'll be right back.
Get the creeps walking down here. The lights play tricks on your mind. See things at the corner of your eye. It's 8 minutes past 7 already. Is everyone?
Yeah.
Right. This tunnel is the last known location and resting place of the conductor. Line up. Now, hands on shoulders. Don't want anyone getting lost now, do you? Enjoy it for me.
Always forwards. Never back. Always forward. You want to go in the front?
I've been expecting you. Please gather round. We here at Creekwood Tours Hope you enjoyed your tour today. To this day, many questions have been left unexplained. Why did the train come to a stop? Why did the engine blow? Why did the conductor disappear? So many questions, yet no answers. Are you okay? No answers.